and welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if you're new. So one of the biggest questions I get asked as a kind of a hobby YouTuber or whatever you call it is, how much money do I make from YouTube? And I've actually been monetized for coming up to a year and a half now, so I thought I'd do a little bit of a video just showing you guys how much I made in my first year. Obviously I'll just show you what it cost me as well to run my channel. So yeah, I thought I'd run you guys through that and make a bit of a video out of it. So yeah, let's get into it.
And if you get value from this video, hit the like button and subscribe to support this channel.
Right then guys, so I wanted to be completely transparent with my channel, so basically just thought I'd show you guys what's going on, and you know, if any of you guys were looking at maybe getting into doing this sort of stuff to see, you know, how much money you could make. Considering I've only been running this channel, I've had this channel since 2019. I uploaded my first video in August, I think it was August the 4th, 6th, something like that, 2019, so I'm on 118 videos now, which is hard to believe, but yeah, it started off with a real simple video and kind of worked my way up from there to where I am now. So my first 1,000 subscribers was the hardest to get, like everyone tells you, but once you get them, then it kind of just goes by itself. It's really surprising, and to be honest, by the time you hit 1,000, I found that with my channel I had a fair bit of steam going. You know, I was getting regular subscribers every day, but I think it's all about, you know, posting regular and keeping them videos coming, and just keeping active on your channel, and all that kind of contributes towards your channel growing. So yeah, so this is not like a tutorial. I'm not gonna, you know, tell you guys how to run anything. I just thought it'd be interesting for people to see kind of how much money I made and how my channel has grown in the first year of being monetized. So yeah, let's take a little look, is it? So if I jump into the record, so there you go. So the screen's now recording for you guys, so you can take a little look. So basically I've set it here. I've set it here now from the 1st of June 2020 to the 1st of June 2021, just to show you when my channel monetized, because a lot of people talk about this kind of spike you get where your channel kind of takes off when you monetize, and I think the problem is, I think, you know, I don't know about you, but with me, when I was waiting for my channel to hit that 1,000 subscriber mark, I was just expecting to get flooded with subscribers and flooded with views and my channel to just take off, and it just doesn't really work like that. So a lot of people in these videos, they kind of promise that and say, oh yeah, you know, your channel's gonna, you know, expect this and expect that. But personally, I didn't really find. I did find that there was a kind of a growth quite quickly, but it stabilized very quickly. So if I just show you here now, you can see that kind of spike I'm talking about. So by here on the 27th of December, that's when, or was it 20? No, 26th was when I monetized. So when my channel hit 1,000 subscribers, obviously I hit 1,000 subscribers. I applied for monetize straight away. I think it was about the 27th, 28th, somewhere about there that I monetized, and you can see that quite quickly the channel did grow. So I went from, if I go, yeah, views, so I was getting an average of about 900 to 1,000, and then straight away I grew up to around about the 1,500 was kind of peaks, and around about there, but then it did kind of level off back down. It did stay higher than what it was before, but looking at my rate of growth over the months before, I think it was kind of normal, and I was, as you can see, I was continuously posting videos, but it just kind of stayed about there, and it did actually drop off a bit about Easter, which kind of happened, well, I say Easter, probably sooner than that, but yeah, it did drop off a bit. So I just thought I'd show you that now. I thought it'd be a bit interesting. So let's just go into reach and we'll drop this down. So we'll put up 2021, sorry, not 2022. So here you can see that little drop I was telling you about. So yeah, it did grow and kind of climb, and then it kind of leveled off. If I go to views, you can see it kind of stuck around the 1200, 1000 to 1200, 1400 peaks all year, which was amazing because I was popping videos up. I moved house about there, so I've actually been quite slow at uploading at the moment. I've only done 3 this year, due to moving house, which was about there. So you can see I didn't do a lot of videos, but I've continuously carried to put content out there, and the channel just hasn't really taken off. But I'm still happy with the money I've made and stuff. So and what the channel's done. So you just kind of keep on plugging at it, and then it will grow. It should just grow eventually. So yeah, so just wanted to show you that, guys, because so many people get their hopes up, and I just feel like that. I feel there's a bit of this kind of, when you hit 1,000, that's it, you take off. But in my opinion, it's very steady. You got to keep going. With that then, so before I get on to actually showing you how much money I made, obviously I want to take a few things into account. So basically, obviously, this was my first real year of YouTubing, so I had to buy a decent laptop because obviously 2020 I really kind of struggled with the laptop I was using. I had a really crap cheap laptop, that I was doing videos on, so I actually went and bought a new laptop last year. I went and bought, obviously I already had a GoPro which I was using for doing my videos, which I'm using right now. Brilliant bit of kit. Hero 9 I got. I'm actually going to invest in Hero 10 soon. So this is my camera. So obviously I've got the subscription on that, which is £50 a year. I've got this laptop. Obviously video editing laptop wasn't cheap. It was well over £1,000. So I have spent quite a bit of money this year kind of setting myself up. Obviously, I got a nice stand there that the camera's on. That wasn't cheap. So yeah, just wanted to kind of, bring into account that I did actually spend a fair bit of money, obviously, on the channel, which is my goal, really. My goal is to spend what I earn, to kind of put it back into the channel, if you know what I mean. Like, this is not including the quad project that I've got. The quad project I'm probably up over £1,000 spent on, but and the funny thing is I'm going to raffle that quad off when it's finished, which I don't know, I'm starting to think I might be a bit mad, but I'll probably recuperate some of them funds, because I'm probably going to do a merch raffle through the channel. So if you buy merch, you get a ticket, and then that'll put some money back in the pot to pay for the quad. So I'm not really about making money. I'm more about kind of keeping myself on that sweet spot of kind of breaking even, but I don't want it to cost me money. So it's good that it's monetized. And it can kind of float on that line, which is what I like, because I got a 9 to 5, I work, I earn enough money to pay the bills and keep a roof above my head, as they put it, and that's all that really matters to me. So yeah, just thought I'd give you a bit of insight into where I'm kind of thinking. I do look at this channel that it could be a retirement kind of income, so I'm hoping I can grow this over the next, say, 20 years, 30 years. I think I got about 25, 30 years left in me of working on the tools, so you never know, I might grow this to a point where I can reduce my hours in work and do more of this, but that is kind of the dream, as you would say. But I don't know, we got a long way off that anyways. Basically that's about it. So if I go here now, and I'll go back to overview. So here is my actual income for 2020, was it 2021? So in my first year on YouTube, I made £1,483. So it's actually not a bad little intake for my first year. I also do affiliate links, where I obviously link things I use in my videos on eBay, and I make a small commission on that. And for all my videos over the year, I think my total income was about £1,750. So yeah, about £1,750. So on top of that, I probably made another £250, £300 on affiliate links, which is not really a lot over a year. It is a very small part of my income from YouTube. Obviously, my Google AdSense is where the money comes from. So yeah, so around about just £1,750 is what I made last year. Obviously, with buying my laptop and all the equipment, I spent £1,880 odd. So I actually spent more money than I earned obviously equipment. But I got a nice laptop out of it. I got my GoPro, and yeah, all my stuff. So hopefully, as years go on, now I'll start to make a bit of a profit. Obviously, I do self-assessment tax due to the fact that I've got another job. So obviously I pay tax there, and then obviously I have to declare this income. I believe anything over £1,000 you can earn up to a hobby, but obviously over £1,000 you have to pay tax. So yeah, I'm not 100% sure on how much you have to pay, but I know I have to do a self-assessment. So it's just hit end of financial year now, so I'll be submitting my taxes and basically paying anything I owe. I'm hoping the fact that I've spent more money than I've earned means I won't have to pay anything, but we'll see. You never know with the tax man. He always trying to claw something out of you. So yeah, I thought that was a nice little insight, guys. I hope this was kind of, any of you guys who are thinking about doing the same thing or thinking about starting a channel, it kind of shows you what you can possibly make. Personally, I haven't seen my money has actually dropped a bit, not grown. So I found pretty much what you start making is what it kind of stays at, and obviously I will grow it as time goes on. And yeah, it's a hobby that kind of pays for itself. So I enjoy doing it. I'm gonna keep doing it. I hope you guys like the video and the content I'm doing. And yeah, anything, if you guys want to see anything more, if you want me to dabble into these analytics anymore, do me a favor, put it down in the comments. I don't mind doing these videos. I love getting back, especially at the moment, because my garage is kind of full of building materials, so it's hard for me to do videos at the moment. So if anyone's got any kind of videos or things they want to see, or see how things have grown or developed through the channel, let me know, and yeah, I'll do a video and show you guys what's going on. But yeah, like you say, it wasn't a tutorial, it was more just of a informative video. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and yeah, I look forward to many more years of YouTubing. So yeah, see you in the next one.
And if you get value from this video, hit the like button and subscribe to support this channel.